Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So how's everyone doing? I hope you had a good Easter weekend. We did. We went to my sister-in-law's for Easter dinner. It was very, very nice. Okay, so I was contacted by a company called One Day Saving, and they asked me to try out some of their products. So I got it. I picked out a few items. Actually, I picked out 3 crochet hook sets, and they do sell other things on there. Let me just let you know what they sell. They also carry diamond paintings, cross stitch, paint by number, and I saw on their site that they do customs of each of those, so it looks like you can send a picture into them and they'll make it up for you. That's really cool. All right. Prices are really good for their products as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the sets, and I'll give you information about them. They'll all be linked below. And I'm going to do a little bit of crocheting with one hook from each set to see how they work. All right, so right now, One Day Saving has a activity. I'm reading my notes here. An activity going on. They're calling it Spring Welfare Delivery, and there will be a coupon code below for $5 off. Now I don't know if that's Canadian, so I'm in Canada, but it ends April. They said 31st, but there's only 30 days in April, so April 30th, 2023. And they have 500 coupons available. I'm not sure if they're still available because I believe it started at the beginning of March. But I just got my package the end of last week, and that was Easter weekend, so, you know, didn't do any recording. So let's take a look at each item here. Okay. Not sure why there's an elastic band. Maybe to put around the hooks after? I don't know. But anyway, it comes in this little bag. These are really pretty hooks. Let me take them out and show them to you. They, it appears they have aluminum. Is it aluminum? I think it's aluminum shaft and head on there. The handles are feel like plastic. They have a pretty design on there. Really pretty. And the look at the size. Looks like it might just be stamped on there. Alright, so let me tell you, it's a set of 8. They range from 2.5 millimeter to a 6 millimeter. Here's the 6 millimeter. And the hook part or head part looks good. They're a hard plastic handle. Very pretty to look at, right? Alright, so they do give the length on the website of how long these are. They say they're 5.31 inches or 13.5 centimeters. And for the price, Canadian, is $6.41 for the whole set of 8. So that's a really good deal. Look at this purple. So pretty. Alright, so I'll show you the next set, and then I'll try out a hook from each one. Alright, so the next set I've got here, I asked them to send me. They don't charge when they ask you to show items on your channel. You get to pick out what you want and show them. So because this is mainly crochet channel, you know, I grabbed some crochet hooks. Okay, let's see. So this is 9-piece 9-piece wooden handle set. They go from 2mm to 6mm. They do. I did not see them see the length of the entire hook from the head to the end of the handle. Didn't see on there if they gave the length. I don't think they did. Let me just measure the length. Let's see, are they all the same lengths? Pretty much. Okay. So I have the 6mm one here. Let's see what the length is. Okay, 4 inches, 5, just a tad over 5.5. The others were 5.3 that I showed you. Yeah, so this is longer, just a little longer. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, so wooden handle, aluminum, feels like aluminum head there. This has there's an indentation here actually on both sides, back and front, so that's nice. Looks like it's stamped on, the size is stamped on. There's the head on there. That wood is very smooth. Doesn't look like it's gonna sliver. So, yeah. All right, let's see, $9.48 for the 9-piece wooden handles. Okay, so I'm gonna crochet with that in a minute as well. The next one is these. These are pretty to look at, but you know how they work is more important, right? Or just as important. Okay, so this is a 9-piece set. Oop, 9-piece. 9-piece. They have the pretty handles, different designs on the handles. Okay, so they are a 9-piece set. It says ceramic. 2mm to 6mm, and it doesn't give the length on the site, at least I didn't see it there. For this set of 9 is $12.32 Canadian. So let's see how long these are, because I know I prefer longer hooks because I'm a knife holder. So let's see. I'd say just under. Oh wait, no, they're at 5 1/4. 5 1/4. So they're roughly the same length as these that said they were 5.31 inches or 13.5 centimeters. So they're pretty short. Okay, let's take a closer look. They say this is ceramic. I don't know. It's fairly soft. It's not hard like plastic. And there's the head. And the hook part. The size is stamped on, because I'm just thinking they might rub off. And this is a very, very pretty red. Okay, so if you want to see the design on the handles, fun. There's some of the designs. And I'll show you the rest of the designs on the other ones. They are very pretty to look at. I think they'd be pretty to give somebody as a gift. So there they are. Let me see. So I'm going to do some crocheting with these. I think I told you they're $12.32 for this set of 9. Yeah. So let's do a little bit of crocheting and see what they're like. I know they're going to be short for me because, like I said, I like, I'm a knife holder, and what I mean by short is they're going to hit against my hand here, and that makes my hand kind of ache a little bit, so I prefer the longer hooks. And so, how do knife holders hold them? Is that a knife holder? No, I'm a knife holder. Pen holder? Pencil holder? So someone commented that they are a pencil holder, so it's okay to have the short ones. So that's why I guess that's why I need the longer ones, because I'm a knife holder. Okay, so we're gonna crochet with some of these. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna be using this Big Twist Value yarn. It's a medium 4-weight. Recommended hook is a 5mm. This color is aqua, if you're curious. And so I pulled out 5mm from each set, and I'm just gonna crochet a little bit. Okay, where's my end? Here it is. You think you're organized before you hit play or record, I should say, and you're not. All right, so let's try this pretty red one here. Just gonna do like a couple of rows, see how it works. That works very well. Yeah, it runs very nicely on the yarn. Like I said, it is too short for me, but maybe not for you. So these sets will probably go into giveaways. Yeah. So that's actually a nice little hook. It's easy to hold in my hand, like here. It's, I'm not slipping, my fingers aren't slipping all over the place. Yeah, I think this is nice. I would recommend it if you do like the shorter hooks and they don't hurt your hand. Yep, I like it. Okay, let's try the next one. Now this is the more, like this is like round all the way around. This handle, this one is more of a flat handle. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice. They're not, I mean, even though they're inexpensive, they're not really cheaply made. I think they're made quite well. Yeah, seem to be made quite well. Yeah. I'm thinking this may rub off, this design, over time, Yeah, that's really nice. I think it works really well. For the price, the price of these, I think it's worth it. They're really good prices. Yeah. So I would recommend this one too. People that prefer or like the shorter hooks. All right, so we'll go on to the next one. Seems like they're well made, So this one has indentation on both sides. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah. I don't have any expensive hooks myself. I do have like off-brand ones that I use a lot, or use all the time, I should say, and I'm totally okay. Totally okay with these. These are also off-brand, which means no name, right? Yeah, this works really well too. Oops, I was going to do a double crochet. Yeah, I would recommend these 3 sets. They're all short, remember. If you want longer ones, I didn't see any longer ones, I don't think, on their site. But yeah, it's they work really well. Seems like the heads are good. They're smooth. There's just looking at the other ones here. They look like they're all made nicely. There's no jaggedness. Yeah, I would definitely recommend all 3 of these sets. All right, you guys, thank you so much. And yeah, if you're interested, I'm not affiliated with them. I just, they just sent me these things to try, and I picked them out myself to try. One Day Saving is the name of the company. It'll be linked below. Every one of these sets will be linked below, the direct links. And then they have that, where's my paper here? They have that called Spring Welfare Delivery Activity. Code will be below. It's Spring 5. It's all one word there, supposed to be. So $5 off, ends April 30th. They have 500 of those coupons, so first come, first served. And thank you so much for joining me. Let me know if this review was helpful for you. All right, thank you. Bye for now.